Hi people, hi guys. So guys, I am currently vlogging from my old camera. It feels so weird and nostalgic. Guys, this camera has been with me through thick and thin. Guys, it's been so hard for me letting this camera go because for months now it's been sitting in my desk and I haven't used it in a while now. So I'm like, you know what? Should I give it out or should I turn it to a vlogging camera? So I'm currently vlogging with this camera, guys. I know vlogging is not my thing at all, but I'm trying to make it my thing. I'm not sure you guys enjoy vlogging, but yeah, I don't know. We never know. So I'll just try and see. Currently, I'm filming for my YouTube video. Guys, this vlog is going to be scattered because I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know how it's supposed to be. So it's currently everywhere, but I'm going to try my best to edit it in an orderly manner and make it more interesting for you guys to see. So I want to get back to filming now and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. You guys, it is so freaking hot today. Very hot. And I have some errands to run. I'm going to Made Pieces My tailor in Ikoyi. It's a one to my sister's wedding and I haven't made my clothes yet, so today I have to get there today. I don't care. I'm trying to put the address on the map so that I can be off traffic.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do.
A freaking day in my boring life. I have my scale here. I like to always check my weight once in a week to make sure that I'm keeping myself on track. Of course, guys, water. I have to drink 1.5 liter of water every day to make sure that I am hydrated. My Apple Watch, I have to make sure that I am counting my steps. I am burning enough calories in a day. So
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be la vie en rose. Maybe I get a place that's right across the Notre Dame.
Alright guys, so I'm off work today and today is filming day for me, and you can see my setup behind me. My phone is there. I'm about to film for Instagram first, do a makeup tutorial, and then use that makeup for a YouTube video. And honestly, I'm already so tired. I normally like to put my all my filming days in one day, so I like to do about 2 or 3 videos and then plan my days towards my other content. So that's pretty much it. I'm exhausted already because I had to do some house cleaning today and I had to cook. I've been trying to cook more often. Lately I've been buying food outside because I felt like cooking was taken out of my time for me to be productive. But now I want to start cooking again because I want to eat more of fiber as opposed to carbohydrates. So I started cooking myself. I'm already exhausted. I'm feeling sleepy. I want to sleep, but I mean I have to do this today because tomorrow I have work and I'm busy the other days as well. So hello? I have a delivery. I want to go get my delivery from downstairs. I like to put all my deliveries in one day so that when I'm at home I can receive all my items. Guys, it's so hot outside. It's very, very hot. So I got this. So I saw these sunglasses on Instagram and I liked it and I ordered it. So ooh. And it came with a pouch. I ordered for this wallet because my wallet had seen better days. Just a regular purse to put my cash money, ATM, ID cards and all of that. Nothing fancy, but at least I have that. I'm talking too much, so let me get to filming right now.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. So bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking.
So guys, I'm done, doing my makeup and filming for Instagram, but it's been hectic because while I was doing that, they took the lights as usual. Nigeria. I'm going to film for YouTube now. Hopefully I'll be able to edit them today or at least back them up and then continue with my day. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I need to sleep already. So this is what we go through as a content creator, putting out content for you guys. So you better like, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms because finally finished filming and I'm so happy about that, guys. Like, it's been stressful, I'm hungry and tired. It's been a lot today anyways. But anyways, this is what we gotta do. I'm liking this subtle look on my face today. Not bad. Anyway, guys, today was pretty productive. I'm happy about that. I need to go find food to eat, clear the surrounding, back up this videos I just did today, and then get ready for work tomorrow.
I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low key. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. feel like talking, I just wanna hang with me. Dance around the kitchen, then we'll binge on some TV. Yeah. I'm so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels, tonight I can forget. Yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well, I really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house
It was a good workout. It was a good 30-minute workout. I don't want to do anything too stressful today. Just want to burn some calories before I start my day, basically. So yeah, guys. So guys, I have a few errands to run. It's almost like, what's the time? It's 1:45. I need to be at DHL at 3 o'clock because they close by 3. And you know Nigerian times now. They can get there now and tell you that they've closed. So I'm trying to hurry. I currently have 30 minutes to get to that place. So I have 30 minutes to get there. So hopefully, it's also raining as well. So I'm like, oh, but I need to get there today, being Saturday, because I wouldn't have time next week to do this again.
When you say give me a ring, you really meant a ring, huh? Turn out to be more than just a fling, huh?
Okay, I just finished from Sandbox. I just left DHL to drop the package for my brother. So, funny thing happened. I just realized that I can't find my ATM card, and I need to buy some things. But I remember that yesterday at work, after I closed from work, I went to withdraw some money from the ATM, and that's what I can remember. So I think I left my ATM in the ATM machine. So I'm going to go back to work right now to go and check or ask around the securities there if they saw any ATM card or if they happen to keep it from me, because I don't know how I'm going to survive, because I need to buy some things at the mall and I don't know how I'm going to pay for it. Today has been a lot. So I went to the office and apparently they said if your ATM makes the noise after you withdraw your money and nobody's there, they swallow the card. So I guess my card has been swallowed. But now I was thinking, I could just transfer or use all those local POS where people transfer money and can get your cash. But now MTN, I decided to just be insane. Look at this. There's no signal at all on my phone. No signal. Look at this. Like for the past 30 minutes, I'm at the mall now, just waiting at the car park because I don't know what to do. I forgot to collect my sister's ATM card at home, so now I'm just stuck. I'm like, I can't go back home. And I don't want to do that because I have a lot to buy from this place. Okay, not a lot, but I have to buy some things from this place and they don't sell around my house, so I don't know what to do. So frustrated. So frustrated. I removed my SIM card. I've removed it with my earrings and still no network. No network. Check this again. It normally doesn't take this long if your network is out. So I don't know why this one is different today. I restarted my phone, done everything, but I guess I need to restart my phone again. I don't even know how I managed to forget my ATM at work. I don't know. Yesterday was just summer because normally I withdraw my money. You see, in America, things are moving forward. You see, Nigeria, we're just backwards. 'Cause I know that in America, they give you your cash. I mean, they give you your ATM before your cash. That way you don't forget your ATM. Oh my god, guys, I just have network. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ah, guys, I'm so fat. I have really suffered today. Network. Oh, I'm okay. Okay, guys, I need to go get my things and get out of this place right now. Oh.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame.
So updates, guys. So as soon as I got the network and I went inside the mall, the network disappeared again. So I was like, you know what, let me just even buy the things I want to buy, let them calculate the money for me, and then I'll find out how to transfer the money. I found somebody that would help me put on their phone hotspot so I can connect to it and transfer from my bank, and it did that. It worked. I transferred the money, and after that, I guess I let toasting me. They're telling me, oh, where do you stay? Do you stay around? Normally I would just ignore him, but I had to be nice because it just helped my life. I sent the money, showed it to them at the counter, but they said they haven't received the money yet, so I have to wait. So right now I came back to the car to just wait because I'm frustrated. I can't leave here without those things I just got. I'll wait. They should not worry, I will wait. I'm gonna just stay here, listen to some music, and just be okay. Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, low.
I was up for self. I was up for sale, but I couldn't tell.
God made the rain, the devil made it hell.
Smoking weed on self-projectors. I guess you never know what all against us. We're seeing my family have it all. Took the place of that desire, but the throwing on the wall. And really, I think I like who I'm becoming. It sounds why I like just when I get nothing. It sounds why I like letting you take care of my vacation for all my social justice.
So I forgot to update you guys. I finally left the place. It took them 1 hour to get or receive my alerts because I didn't have an ATM, so I had to transfer. So they didn't. It took them 1 hour to get it, anyways. And I was in the car park waiting. I got frustrated, and then later on I got called that they've gotten it. I had to rush back home because of the traffic, and I didn't expect to stay out this late. So I just came back home, had my meal, and I just want to rest now. So that's the update, and I'll see you guys when next I turn on this camera, hopefully soon.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life